When you're juggling dozens of research papers, books, and sources, keeping track of everything can drive you crazy. That's where reference managers come in. Today we're comparing 3 big names in reference management: Zotero, Mendeley, and EndNote. Which one should you choose? Let's break it down. First up, Zotero. This is the free open source option that's won over millions of researchers. You get 300 megabytes of storage for free, which covers about 100 articles. The best part? It grabs citations from websites with just one click. Whether you're browsing Google Scholar or your library database, Zotero captures everything automatically. It works on Windows, Mac, and Linux. The downside? The interface isn't the prettiest, and you'll pay $20 a year if you need more storage. Next is Mendeley. This one's also free and gives you 2 gigabytes of storage right off the bat. That's way more than Zotero. Mendeley shines with PDF management and social features. You can connect with other researchers and discover new papers through their network. It's great for collaboration and has a cleaner, more modern interface. However, it struggles with non-English sources and sometimes need manual fixes for citations. EndNote is the premium option at $125 upfront, but you get what you pay for: unlimited storage, advanced search features, and rock-solid reliability. It's been the gold standard in academia for years. EndNote handles complex citations better than the others and works seamlessly with Microsoft Word. The trade-off? It's expensive and the learning curve is steeper. So which wins? If you're just starting out or on a tight budget, go with Zotero. For social features and better PDF handling, pick Mendeley. Need the most powerful features and don't mind paying? EndNote is your best bet. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos. See you next time.